This is Audible.
Audible Studios presents My Missing Boy. Written by D.L. Fisher. Narrated by Jennifer Woodward and Todd Boyce. Chapter 1. Gabby Rizzo. I couldn't tell you what stopped me in my tracks as I dragged myself through our house, barely awake. Maybe it was my husband or son banging around upstairs in a frantic last-minute panic. Perhaps it was just a feeling in the pit of my gut that something was awry. Whatever it was, I dropped my tumbler of iced coffee and it exploded everywhere, spraying coffee and cream all over our marble tiles. What a freaking mess. It's a little early for the day to go sideways. Gabby, what are you doing? Christ, Greg! I jump at the sound of my husband's voice, completely caught off guard. Where did you come from? You scared the living daylights out of me. I move a hand to my hip, annoyed, flustered. Last time I checked, I do live here. Were you expecting someone else? Greg arches an eyebrow. Yeah, totally, I say, relaxing ever so slightly. No, I wasn't expecting someone else, but I also wasn't expecting him. Not really, anyhow. My 6'3", 220-pound hunk of a husband has a nasty habit of sidling up when you least expect him. It's almost as if he were standing there all along. I keep buying Greg Tic Tacs, hoping he'll slip a pack into his pocket so I can hear him coming. I wonder if he's worried he has terrible breath. I wasn't trying to send you into cardiac arrest, Gabby. I just wanted to see where you were at with the packing. I've been wrangling together some of Cam's things upstairs and getting my stuff laid out. I can't find his Futures sweatshirt. Is it in the wash? He has to be kidding. Sometimes I think my husband and son look for things with their eyes closed. The team-issued one? It's folded on his bed, Greg. Oh. He juts out his lower lip. I guess I'll leave you to it then. I lower my gaze, then look up to apologize for overreacting. It's too late, though. Greg's no longer standing there, thanks to his Houdini-like knack for appearing and disappearing without ever making a sound. And no, he didn't offer to help clean up the mess, nor did he even acknowledge it. I pull my sweatshirt over my head, using it as a makeshift towel to blot the tiles, but it's no use. It appears the tiles are damaged beyond repair. Much like our marriage, I'm afraid. I catch my son Cameron from the corner of my eye, watching me as I unravel. Hey, bud, just about ready. I reach into my pocket and pull out our packing list. I finger it, the razor-sharp edge slicing the skin of my pointer finger with a quick pinch of pain that brings me back. It's as if someone has cracked a vial of smelling salts under my nose. Chest protector, cleats, groin guard. I rattle off the essentials as Cameron looks on with his quintessential teen mixture of amusement and irritation. Mom! The "aw" stretches tight like a rubber band until it snaps, his voice cracking from puberty. God, you've already asked me like 100 times. Have I? He rolls his eyes and throws his hooded Futures sweatshirt on top of an overflowing baseball bag. First, we don't take the Lord's name in vain. Clear? Yes, ma'am. Second, it's all in the bag, right? Not like you left it out on the bed for me to pack? Cam throws his hands up in exasperation, then stomps off to his bedroom. There are a few moments of silence, followed by a floor-shaking slam. My stomach clenches, an intense cramp that makes me